Welcome to another episode of the Daily Chronicles 2 I'm Zanz. Happy Father's Day to all the men out there. Everyone, as long as you are a man, happy Father's Day. The good that you are doing is much appreciated. Anyways, let's enjoy this episode of Heartfelt.
Hi, boy, South Africa, man. Who did this, man? As the Afrikaans boy, I can't even wear my short shorts anymore now. It's so cold. Look at my poor Hilux. Poor baby. Oh. How are you not cold, my dude? If this is on your view page and you're South African and you don't like the cold, just follow along for more.
Into enizoyidakwa Hux.
Hayi, ngeke ngizotrenda. Never sisi no. No.
You guys are taking a little too long to post your fathers. Show us your daddies. Let's see your daddies. Let's see your fathers. So we can also say Happy Father's Day. Where are your daddies?
You know you my real daddy. Oh, Yay! Yay! Yo! Yay! Yo! Yay! Hey! Yo! Yo! Yay! Yo! Ah! Ena mara ke no ba motho wa modimo mona ape ke busy ke searcha kolo ya batho jo che ka transient fethu ape ke busy ke a khulla ke transient fethu ha ibule kanti what's going on jo ke busy ke lo le bati I'm trying to open the car, it's not opening. Ke no go ba re ba fo wenzani how ngenzani o rabyang ke bula kolo yaka kante kante ke nna domkopo jo kante ya ka ke yena ke a bona hore ela fresh mon ke re bile tshwane ba itlhatsitse ke sa tsebe le tla botsa ba for ke re sorry ba for sorry ne
Yes, kill him shank this thing. You know what I don't so carry jam my mind. It's a little twiga mo.
Happy Father's Day, Baba ka Andy Swano Machachi no Awande. Isha Machachi? Ay, fuset!
Hi, I'm not the father, I'm the father's best friend.
Yes.
Hi, I'm not the father, I'm the father's friend.
Hi, I'm not the father, I'm the father's friend.
I am not the father, I'm the father's friend.
Hi, I'm not the father, I'm the father's friend.
I'm not a father. I'm not the father, I'm a father's rockstar's friend.
Hi, I'm not your father, I'm a brother's father.
Hi, I'm not the father, I'm the father's niece. Hi, I'm not the father, I'm the father's friend.
I am a granny.
Hi, I'm the father.
Oh, Mama. Happy Father's Day.
Why you say Happy Father's Day to your mother?
She's a single mother. Like
Even if she was a plural mother, Mama couldn't send her.
no, I cannot say.
Does she have balls?
No, she doesn't have balls. But like she was there for me when my father was.
So what, Mundo? I single Mother's Day, let's pambana. Father's Day.
I never had a father, so.
No, really?
Yeah.
I don't give a fuck. We don't give a fuck. When I look at them, must make you absent. But zero, why you don't meet the basic requirements? Go ahead, why? It's just a happy day. Just a happy day.
But like,
we move on into life. You'll celebrate your mother on Mother's Day. Not on Father's Day, Mondo. Because yeah. Every holiday is Women's Day. Yeah. Valentine's Day, Women's Day. Mother's Day, Women's Day. Yeah. Father's Day, Women's Day. Women's Day, Women's Day. Yeah. Can we fucking have this one?
Okay, fine. Happy Father's Day, ke, Malungu.
Your father, tata. Because a father is present, like a gift. And I'm here now, gone later.
Baby girl, what's up? I wrote just school bag, you know? Like just school bag. I have a school bag. Also, that's a school bag. Are you just a Again. Go on, Mama. It's a record. Mangi. Would you like it? Kai. Shop right there. Kakwa. And then school to Naga. Artami, she go for school bag. Are, utana na kuman skolo. Utana na kuman skolo. Sixty. Arta maro just school bag na ne. Nakin na malo mo kuthato ne. Diba? Oh, batin. Kaya skolo mo sina school bag, maluma na lo school bag. Ano maluma mo school bag agad. Mas kasalat ne. Talaga mo? Ha? Ito sige ka mo raw na sila na. Ha? Ya, no. Awan? Nagsapon no agad. Ero ko fell check out kaya agad. Sara check out kaya rin. Buni. Charo rega mazumbagar. Sapo mana ko kalli chiga na yu rega chiri bagar. Bye bye. Sir, high five. Utu kutha zora dagar. Sap fan.
However, even when I'm 40,
Yeah.
please.
And I'll be 105.
Yeah.